Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Makisa and I'm a mental health as well as marriage and family counselor. On this channel, you will receive tips on how to maintain optimal mental health, foster healthy relationships, as well as promote self-development. Are you considering starting therapy in order to help you work through life's challenges? Or maybe you tried therapy in the past and it just didn't quite work out for you. Well, today's video was for you. Today we're going to talk about how to navigate through the therapeutic process, as well as make it a successful outcome for you. Utilizing these tools can help to improve your overall therapeutic experience. Therapy is only as successful as the effort that you put into it. It's a collaborative process between you and your therapist, working together to help you find solutions to whatever the presenting problem is. Factors that you should consider include having a good fit. It's essential that you have good rapport and a connection with your therapist in order for you able to be vulnerable and feel comfortable opening up with your feelings. If it's not a good fit, don't be afraid to find a different therapist who may be a better fit for you. Length of treatment. It's important to stay in treatment long enough in order to allow the process to work. For the most part, whatever problems you are experiencing did not develop overnight, so you can't expect them to go away overnight. Don't get me wrong. Yes, you can see improvement in the first session, but for the most part, several sessions will be needed in order to help you decrease whatever the presenting problem is or whatever the symptoms are, or eliminate it altogether. Treatment approach. Keep in mind that there are various different treatment approaches that may work for you. Don't be afraid to explore different treatment options with your therapist. Keep in mind that more than one treatment option may be helpful with regards to you achieving your therapeutic goals. Level of care. There are different levels of care in terms of therapy and treatment, depending on whatever the symptoms or presenting problem is. The milder the symptom, the lower level of care needed. The greater or more acute the symptoms are that you're experiencing, the higher level of care will be needed. The different levels of care include traditional outpatient therapy, IOP, which is intensive outpatient treatment, PHP, which is partial hospitalization program, inpatient psychiatric treatment, as well as residential treatment. Consistency. It's important to be consistent with services in order for you to achieve your therapeutic goals. The more time you have in between sessions, the easier it is to get distracted and stop working on your goals. The more consistent you are, the better able you are to stay focused and to concentrate on your treatment goals. You and your therapist will talk about, what the best time for treatment is for you. Whether it's once a week, twice a week, every other week. So that is something that you and your therapist will discuss and decide based off of the symptoms that you're having, the frequency, as well as intensity of those symptoms that you're experiencing. Homework. That word can be scary to some. No pressure. Sometimes therapists may give homework assignments, and this is just to allow you to apply whatever tools that you've learned in session in order to be able to apply those tools outside of sessions and put those tools into practice. It's a good opportunity to see, what tools, using those tools, what it looks like in real time. And you can report back to your therapist and give them feedback in terms of, did it work, maybe it didn't work. And if it didn't work, it's okay. You always can go back to the drawing board and figure out something else that works for you. So homework is nothing to be intimidated by, but it can actually be very helpful in terms of you reaching and meeting your therapeutic goals. For more information on details regarding the different levels of care and what they entail, check out this next video. That's all I have for today. I hope this video has been helpful to you. If this video has been beneficial to you, please consider hitting that like and that subscribe button. Until next time, be well.